Whenever you come across a problem that uses more than just one operation, to make sure that you get the right answer, you need to be following what's called the order of operations. And what it says is you need to do all your parentheses and grouping symbols first, then your exponents, then your multiplying and dividing, then your adding and subtracting. So it's a 4-step process. The word GEMS might help you remember that. G stands for grouping symbols. Those are your parentheses and your brackets. E is for exponents. M is for multiply and divide. That's a 1-step thing that happens as you go from left to right, as each of those operations appears. And S is for subtract and add. Again, that's 1 step. You just do them as they appear going left to right. So let's see if we can apply this to the problem that we have here. Every time you start one, you're going to start at the top of the list. So we're going to start with grouping symbols and say, do we have any? Well, yes, we do. So we're going to do that part first, whatever's inside those parentheses. -6 plus 9. When we add that together, we get 3. Then you want to rewrite everything that we haven't done yet so that you don't forget about it or lose it as we go. Our grouping symbols are all done. So then we go to exponents and say, do we have any of those? Yes, we have 2 of them. So we can work on both of them together. The 4 squared, or 4 to the 2nd power, remember that means 4 times 4. And 3 to the 2nd power, that means 3 times 3. So that means we're going to get 16 for 4 to the 2nd, and 9 for 3 to the 2nd. And then bring down everything else that we haven't done so far. Okay, our exponents are all done. The next step is multiplying and dividing. And we look for any of those. We just have one. This 16 divided by 16. So it's next. That's 1. That's all of the multiplying and dividing. The last step is subtracting and adding, and we just again have the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10.